They're kind of loud out here, but today is July 25th and it's our construction update. So right now we're gonna walk downstairs and take a look at the auditorium. Here we are in the hall. This is the area right in front of the auditorium. I'm excited to see the steel. Whoa! That was awesome!
So the mason has been working in area E, which is the gym, and so right behind this is the dance room actually. But that tall wall that you see going up is the first wall of the gym. Now that's ahead of schedule.
So now we're in the commons area, and on the other side of the office you can look into the front office of the school. We'll have our financial office there, attendance on the other side where that big opening is. But for the first time, John, we can look down at this hallway here that we weren't able to really see. We walked through it, but it didn't look like a hallway, and now it does. Right,
that's the first wall of the gym of area E, and then area D, which contains the cafeteria, the kitchen, and then a lot of the mechanical and electrical space. That is all now finished, and they're working their way out. It won't be long before they'll do, once they finish this area that we're standing in, they'll work their way back out, and they'll do that big masonry beam that goes across there, and then that will finish this whole area, and then they'll do the one on the outside as well.
Okay, this is inside the kitchen area, and right here where we're standing, where that pile of dirt is, will be the big range, and you can see where the electrical boxes are right here for the power for the prep work. We'll have the office for the kitchen manager, and this is where the freezer and refrigerator space will be. And then the dishwashing space is over here. And now we're walking towards the restrooms, and it looks like they're getting the tile. Wow, I love the subway tile. That is so pretty, isn't it? John, is this the boys or the girls' bathroom?
I think that one is girls.
Okay.
So this men's, that's women's.
I love this tile. It's so pretty. This is the men's restroom. So we're gonna go look in the women's restroom. It's kind of dark in here. This is done. This is complete. Clear to the ceiling. I love that. We're walking in the hall, and John just pointed out the wing masonry for our lockers.
Yeah, so each one of these sections that you can see are where a bank of lockers will be. And the locker colors have been finalized, so they match your school colors. So nice. We'll be ordering those right away.
And John was saying how they're putting in the drop ceiling component in the classrooms, and after they get through with that, you'll be working it in the hallway.
Yep, this will be the next area that we install. Now, from this vantage point, you can see
it's pretty amazing to see all the people working at the same time. This is a massive project, and now we're looking down over the commons into the counseling area, into the office, and we're walking the catwalk across the commons area. It's starting to really look like a school. Looking in the front office, the financial secretary's office, attendance will be right there where you see the red poles vertically up and down. It's just right behind there. You'll see to the left, right there will be the financial, and the attendance office will be right there. Of course, that's admin front office with a conference area. the counseling department, the performing arts area, CTE hallway. That's the hallway on the west side of the school. And now this is the library. And as we can see, it's all been poured and they're getting ready to set in the windows. So they're putting in the framing material for that. There's so many things going on all at the same time. It's fantastic. We've got Laura with us and Scott. What do you guys think about all the progress?
Oh my gosh, it is so exciting. I almost stood in my office.
It's just exciting to be able to see everything. It's great to see everything come together and make its form for all that's coming.